Hi! So we're going to be doing an unboxing today of the newest version of the Daisy Rose Tote checkered bag that they have. It is a black one. This one I didn't do a video on, but this is what I'm currently using, the brown one. So we're going to do an unboxing of the black one. Yeah. I've never done any sort of unboxing on camera before. I've had this bag in the box in my room for about 2 weeks, I'd say, but then I just didn't have time to make this video and get it up and all that. Oh yeah, they come with these things. Oh man, this looks nice. Here's the bag. And these creases do go away over time because this brown bag, also had creases, but once you use it and break it in, it's fine. I love it. Anyway, I have you guys posted up against a window, so the lighting that you're seeing is very close to natural outdoor lighting. This is all fake leather. I kind of go a little bit more into detail about the company and the bag itself in my other video where I show the cream tote, but at this point I feel like if you're watching this video you already know what the company is about. If you don't, check out the other video. I just looked online on Amazon and these bags, both of these are in stock right now. When I first ordered these bags, they were not in stock ever. I always had to wait, so I don't know if they're just making them quicker and they're more efficient with that or what, but they're not exactly that difficult to get your hands on anymore, it seems. I didn't think I would ever like this size because I typically like really obnoxiously large totes, but this is the same size and I carry so much in it and it holds up really well. And there's a fork in here. Pure class. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so since it's only $50 as opposed to the Louis Vuitton price, I don't care to beat it up and like be rough with it because I kind of don't like that anxiety of having to keep something in pristine condition because of how much money you spent on it. I actually spilled coffee in that one. I was sneaking coffee into the movie theater. That was like my snack and it spilled a little, but it's like I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. The gray does kind of show a little bit of a purple hue to it. I don't mind that. And on the inside it has the Daisy Rose stamp. Here's the little pouch that it comes with. It is detachable. This one has silver hardware. It's not very flexible. There's not like too much space in it, but this is the one that I'm currently using. Oh, as far as the wear and tear on these bags, the only thing that I've noticed with this one, like I said, I've been very rough with it and use it all the time. The only thing is the plastic or rubber coating that they use, like a wax for the trim, does peel off. And that started to happen very quickly. But the thing is that when that happens, it doesn't matter. You can't even notice because underneath it is the same exact color anyway. So it's literally like it's shedding and then still appears to look exactly the same as when you first bought it. I can't even spot where that coating came off. The whole point is, the one issue I did see with it actually is not an issue. This is the pouch that I am currently using, and I have headphones, receipts, or actually these are coupons that expired, and one business card. I had a ton more. They must have fallen out. I didn't notice it was open. I'll give one more view of the bag. If you have any questions, comment down below and ask me, but because I talked more in depth about the company and what I like about it in the other video showing off the cream handbag, I don't feel like I want to go too deep into that again, but go ahead and ask me anything you would like to ask. This is how deep this pocket goes. But I have pretty large hands, so you can't really judge by that. These two slip pockets here. I have in mine, well, a bunch of things, but I have a pen that I always carry around, mace, so that I can get it quickly if need be. Some cards, money. Wow, I need to go through this bag because that's not even, it's hardly functional at this point, the way that I throw everything in there. There is a clasp, I think they call it a D-ring, but I could be wrong, so that you can close it and attach it here, but there's no zipper. And there's another D-ring, I guess, here that you can attach the pouch if you'd like, but what do I put on mine? Nothing, I guess. Anyway, here it is. I should probably take this plastic off so that you guys can get a full understanding of what the bag looks like. I really do highly recommend this bag. Like I said, I do have a more high-end luxury brand tote. It's larger than this, but it has real leather, and it cost close to $700, or was it over $700? I believe it was over $700, and yeah, why? Okay, so here's a better view of what the detailing will look like, and it's very rigid right now, so okay, so that's the end of this unboxing. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but what? Hello? These bags are awesome. Go check them out. I'm not sponsored. They don't know I exist. I just think they're great. Okay, bye.